Welcome to another episode of Quick Bites. Today we'll be making that delicious salad dressing found in Japanese restaurants throughout North America, carrot ginger dressing. You don't actually need to mince the shallots, as the food processor will do that, but I like to do it to practice my knife skills. I let the food processor run for about half a minute or until it's chunky smooth. And that's it. As you can see, it comes together very quickly, and you can store it in the fridge for up to about a week.